This is the thoracic cavity, which holds the respiratory system. This is the diaphragm. Then you have the lobes of the lungs. You have them on both sides. This is the anterior, middle, mediastinal lobe, and the posterior lobe. Then you have the larynx, which is this square-shaped box right here. And with that, you have the epiglottis. And then you have the trachea, which is on the anterior side, and you see the C-shaped cartilage. On the posterior side is the trachealis muscle, and back here on the posterior side is the esophagus. Then you have the pharynx, which is up above where the larynx would be. And then we go down to the heart, which is surrounded by pericardium. Here's the apex of the heart, and the top is the base. Then you have the left auricle and the right auricle. Here is this part right here is the interventricular septum. You have the right ventricle and then the left ventricle. This is the abdominopelvic cavity. We have the digestive system, which involves the greater omentum, and under the diaphragm you have the liver, which has different lobes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here you have the gallbladder, and then the spleen is right here. Then you have the pancreas, which is this oatmeal looking substance right there. Then the esophagus, it's a little difficult to see on this cat, but the esophagus enters through the diaphragm into the stomach right here. You have the stomach, and you have the fundus right below the cardia, the body, and then the pylorus right here, which connects to the duodenum by the pyloric sphincter. Like I said, this is the duodenum, and then that connects to the jejunum with the mesentery. This is the jejunum, and then this is the mesentery. Then you have the ileum, which connects to the cecum through the ileocecal valve. And here's the cecum again, going up into the ascending colon. Then you have the transverse colon, and then the descending colon, which leads into the urinary system. So we have the kidney, and this is the adrenal cortex. The gray part is the adrenal medulla, and then this inside part right here is the renal pelvis. Right here is the ureter, and then here is the urinary bladder.